Hello, hello, hello. This is a bed railing for kids tutorial because you already know that sound when they fall off the bed at night. So I'm going to show you how to avoid that by doing the simple DIY. So you're going to need some duct tape, scissors, and styrofoam. And this is my little daughter, Sky. She's a baby, and she's going to help us today. So all you want to do is cut the tape out, then fold your styrofoam in half, and then put the tape, wrap it around the entire length of your styrofoam. You only need 3 sections to wrap it around so that it'll stay closed together. Okay, so that part is done, and we're just gonna now attach it to the bed. Okay, so here we are at Mia's bed. Here's the mattress pad that I use under her sheets so that she does not pee on the mattress if she has an accident. And this is just backup, this plastic thing. So now we're just gonna take our beautiful constructed bed railing that we just made together, and we're just going to put it where we think she might fall off the bed at night, which is usually at the top. So I place it there. I pull back the sheets, and now I'm just spreading the tape across the bed to secure this bed railing down. Super simple, super easy. I'm cutting it, and Mia said she wanted to help, so I let her help me. She's my little helper too, and she is just doing the same thing again, and we're only going to put 2 pieces of tape across the bed to secure the bed railing, just because that's really all you need. When you realize what you can do at home versus, spending a whole bunch of money, you just do it. So here are the finished results. This is what it will look like underneath your mattress pad and your sheets, but you're not going to see any of it, and it's going to look great, and you're never going to hear kids fall off the bed again at night. And voila, you're all done. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can comment, you can subscribe, whatever you want to do, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Perfect.